Topic Nature. 1. Amphibian. 2. Bark. 3. Bird of prey. 4. Branch. 5. Bush. 6. Cetacean. 7. Class. 8. Cluster. 9. Core. 10. Creature. 11. Family. 12. Fertilizer. 13. Flower. 14. Fungus. 15. Genus. 16. Insect. 17. Leaves. 18. Livestock. 19. Mammal. 20. Mushroom. 21. Octopus. 22. Order. 23. Penguin. 24. Phylum. 25. Plant. 26. Primate. 27. Reptile. 28. Rodent. 29. Root. 30. Seabird. 31. Seed. 32. Species. 33. Stem. 34. Trunk. 35. Twig. 36. Whale. 1. The frog is a type of amphibian that can live both on land and in water. 2. The tree's bark was rough and covered in moss. 3. The hawk is a bird of prey that hunts small animals. 4. He broke a branch off the tree to make a walking stick. 5. They found a rabbit hiding in the bush behind the house. 6. A whale is a large cetacean that lives in the ocean. 7. Mammals belong to a biological class different from birds. 8. A cluster of stars lit up the night sky. 9. I always remove the apple's core before eating it. 10. That strange creature crawled out from under the rock. 11. The cat belongs to the family Felidae. 12. Farmers use fertilizer to help plants grow better. 13. This flower blooms only in the spring. 14. A mushroom is a kind of fungus that grows in damp places. 15. Lions and tigers are in the same genus. 16. An insect has 6 legs and usually 2 wings. 17. The leaves turned yellow and fell to the ground. 18. The livestock on the farm includes cows and goats. 19. A dolphin is a mammal, even though it lives in the sea. 20. She picked a wild mushroom from the forest. 21. An octopus can change color to blend into its surroundings. 22. Dogs and wolves are in the same order. 23. The penguin waddled across the icy shore. 24. In biology, animals are grouped by phylum. 25. This plant needs a lot of sunlight to grow. 26. Humans are considered primates. 27. A lizard is a common type of reptile. 28. A mouse is a small rodent with sharp teeth. 29. The root of the plant absorbs water from the soil. 30. The seabird flew low over the waves, looking for fish. 31. He planted a seed in the garden last week. 32. A tiger is a species of large, wild cat. 33. The stem supports the flower and carries water. 34. The tree's trunk was wide enough to sit on. 35. He snapped a twig off the bush to use as a marker. 36. The whale surfaced and sprayed water from its blowhole. 1. A frog is a common animal that lives both in water and on land. 2. The dog barked loudly while scratching the tree's outer layer. 3. The eagle, a powerful hunter, soared above the mountains. 4. He climbed the tree and sat on a thick part of it. 5. They hid behind a thick shrub during the game of hide-and-seek. 6. Whales and dolphins belong to this marine group. 7. In biology, mammals belong to a different classification than reptiles. 8. A bunch of grapes hung from the vine. 9. She removed the center of the apple before slicing it. 10. The forest is full of mysterious living beings. 11. The lion belongs to the cat group. 12. The farmer used organic nutrients to improve soil quality. 13. This beautiful bloom opens only in spring. 14. Mushrooms belong to this group of organisms. 15. Dogs, wolves, and coyotes are part of the same scientific category. 16. Bees are important creatures that help pollinate plants. 17. The tree's green parts turned orange in the autumn. 18. Farmers raise animals such as cows, pigs, and chickens. 19. A whale breathes air and feeds its young with milk. 20. We picked some from the forest, but only the edible ones. 21. It escaped by squeezing through a tiny hole. 22. Monkeys are grouped under this biological rank. 23. They cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers. 24. Humans are part of a large biological division called chordata. 25. She watered it every morning to help it grow. 26. Monkeys and humans belong to the same group of intelligent animals. 27. A snake has the scaly skin and lays eggs. 28. A mouse is a small creature with sharp teeth. 29. The parts under the soil grew deep into the ground. 30. It dived into the ocean to catch a fish. 31. He planted one that grew into a beautiful bloom. 32. There are thousands of kinds of birds in the world. 33. The rose had a long, thorny stem. 34. It sprayed water using a strong, flexible organ. Or, the tree had a thick, wooden base. 35. He snapped off a small stick for kindling. 36. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth.